Hey guys, welcome to my unboxing. We bought a bunch of stuff from some guy. Let's check out the loot.
Holy shit.
The heroes. I think. This looks like a bunch of singles. Roughly like a $12,000 to $13,000 collection. Sundered Heroes ETBs, Perfect Order ETBs.
Going
Black
crazy.
Bolt. Of course, the black guy picks up the Black Bolt.
Going fucking crazy.
Jesus, is not done?
Oh shit, another one.
Order.
Yeah, perfect order.
Had to just buy 1,200 to 2K worth of Perfect Order. Now we look like we scalp all day and camp outside of the targets. Thanks for unboxing with me. Thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys outside of Target.